Kintronic Labs, founded in 1949, is the premier manufacturer of AM medium wave radio broadcasting antenna systems and accessories. We are a third-generation, family-owned and operated business based in Northeast Tennessee with a global footprint. Kintronic supplies the complete radio broadcast transmission system, excluding the transmitter. Every AM system is unique, from the location, frequency, and power level to the proximity to other stations and desired coverage area. Backed by 70+ years of experience, our team uses in-house developed design software along with other programs to predict the station coverage, model the antenna, and generate a reliable design. Once a design is approved, it goes straight into the capable hands of our experienced procurement and manufacturing personnel. Most of our systems are housed in weatherproof aluminum cabinets, which are cut to size and bent on the manual shear and press. We have also added an Omax water jet machine, which can cut a variety of materials with great precision and efficiency. Our OSHA-approved paint booth is equipped to paint various sizes of cabinets, providing an extra layer of protection and durability for equipment installed in extreme climates. Our in-house machine shop takes prints from the mechanical design team and then uses the manual and CNC machines to fabricate the parts for products such as this pivot post for our RF contractors, as well as custom pieces needed for the RF systems. Our fixed and variable inductors are made in-house and silver-plated for long-term, reliable performance. The passive components are assembled inside the cabinet according to the schematic generated by engineering and drafting. Each layout is unique and intentionally designed to reduce cross-coupling of components and to simplify future maintenance. Most owners and operators of transmitters or RF amplifiers need a dummy or test load on hand to troubleshoot and test any issues that may arise with the RF source. Our air-cooled 50-ohm dummy loads range in power from 1 kilowatt up to 1.8 megawatts, are extremely reliable, and are rated to handle the full transmitter power plus 125% modulation. Every RF assembly, whether a custom or standard product offering, is tuned to customer-provided impedance data, simulated model impedance data, or to product specifications using calibrated vector network analyzers. The final step in our production process is a very important one: packing the equipment for shipping. Whether shipping over land, by sea, or by air, our crating specialists pack all the components for maximum protection so that your system arrives at its final destination in good condition and ready for installation. While Kintronic's roots may be in radio, we also design and supply components and systems for LF, VLF, shortwave, FM broadcast, and industrial RF applications. No matter the application, our mission remains the same: to deliver high-quality, reliable equipment while providing excellent customer service and technical support. Contact us today through our website or email, and we'll look forward to connecting with you soon.